Good morning everyone, and welcome back to our Autodesk Construction Cloud series. Today, let's take a quick look at reporting in Autodesk Construction Cloud. Reports help you capture and share project data in a clear, consistent way. You can create custom reports, use templates for repeatable workflows, and you can even set up scheduled reports to automatically send updates to your team. Plus, the emails you receive include hyperlinks. These take you straight back to the data that's live within ACC, keeping everyone connected and up to date. Let's take a look. Creating a report in ACC is simple and flexible. Let's start by navigating to the reports function here. And first thing we want to do is we want to hit create report. Let's take a look at the assigned items by company. Here I can change the name of the report. I can choose to save the report within ACC. I can choose to save it as a new version or save it as a new file. I can change my filters. I can update how many days I want to see when the issue was created by. Checked by the past 30 days. I can create a secondary filter if I want to. And we can choose to sort it by status, title, description, start date. So I'm going to choose to sort it by status. Here we can have our different views, so we can either have it as a compact layer, so you can see the 5 photos per row changes. That would be if we had hundreds of issues, we just want to have a shorter report, so that's maybe why we do it. I don't have many today, so let's just leave it as default. Here we can choose which fields to include by unticking some. You can see some are grayed out as mandatory because we're filtering by those over here on the left. Now that I'm done, I'm going to hit run report. And I get the option here to save this as a template to be run again later. I'm going to hit yes and hit run and save. Now the report is running, I can quickly navigate to my templates. Here I can go through the status and I'm going to say schedule report. I want this report to be run Monday morning, every single morning at 8 AM between the date of today and let's say next month when the project's due. Next, it's going to say send email, so we can select a project member to send the email to. I'm going to choose to send it to myself. We can choose to send to others separately if we wish to. Also, we can send each company member a report of their own company's issues. So we can tick this. Additionally, we can add a message. And I'm going to hit save and schedule. Notice that we have this little calendar and we can kind of see, we get a quick view of when it's going to run and when its end date is. Now that the report has been run, I get a summary sent to my email address. I'm going to click on the architect's report here and we're going to download this. There we can start to see that there's a total of 3 items sorted in the architect's model. Click on the hyperlink and it's going to take me directly back to ACC of where that issue is. So I know exactly where it is, not trying to dig around and find where my issue is. If I flick back over to ACC, I can also check my docs to go through and see the reports have been saved within the folder as specified in the report. This is a great tool because it also gives us visibility of the reports saved in ACC with the addition of the email notification sent to each user, so there's no excuse for not getting the report. We have it saved in ACC, we have it emailed to each user at the schedule that whenever we want it to be sent. Again, if we wanted to create a different report, we could go through and say issues by detail, issue status summary, issue summary report, or issues on sheets, which is a new feature within ACC.